hope you're having a nice day. So here I am in our August pattern, which is the Niamh skirt. Now I'm sure a lot of you after seeing it written will be like, the Niamh? But this is the lovely Irish name Niamh, and that's how we spell it. It sounds very different to how it's written. So this is a simple, easy skirt to make. We wanted to have something nice and easy. We had the Esma dress last month and that was a nice simple make, and this is even easier. So for those of you who just want to make something quickly, if you're already an intermediate sewer, and for those of you that are beginners, this is also a good project for you. So I'm wearing the maxi length of it, but it comes in 3 lengths. This is a super versatile skirt. What I wanted to do with this skirt is, because it's the end of summer, I wanted to create a skirt that I will transition into autumn with, so I can wear it in autumn as well as winter, and you know, all seasons really. And the way you do that is through the fabric choices and the styling and the lengths really. So this is the maxi length. Then there is also a short length that we shot on our lovely model Holly, and you can see that you can wear that with pumps and a little vest and it all looks summery, or we've got an image of me in it with a nice polo neck jumper, tights and boots, perfect for winter. Also, we've got it in the midi length, which you can see the lovely Chantel in here, and that's just kind of, I think the midi length you can wear obviously in the summer with pumps, but also you could wear that with knee-high boots. Midi skirts with kind of knee-high boots look really nice, so you could kind of wear that length as well. And then the maxi length, I think a lot of people think maxi lengths are very much a summery thing that you wear with sandals, but actually I love them in the winter and I'll wear them with a heeled boot. And so we've styled it on Holly in a lovely viscose, our blush blooms, I believe it's called, I think it's called that, with some heeled boots and a polo neck again. So super versatile for your wardrobes, really easy to make. What's super flattering about this is this yoke. So I really wanted to make it flattering and also have some pretty gathers in it, but you've got to be careful with gathers, and you know that I talk about that a lot, that if you put gathers in the wrong place, it can add volume to places where you don't want them. But what's brilliant about this is that it comes down into a V, and anything in a V shape generally enhances, it makes your hips look narrower, and it also kind of does the optical illusion of your waist looking smaller. It's kind of got that clever optical illusion ability, but these are really good and super flattering, so it's nice and neat and fitted here. Then we've got the pretty gathers, but it's after the hips, and that way we can kind of get the nice flow and volume in the bottom part of the skirt. So it fastens with a concealed zip, so you put a concealed zip into the side, and the back has just got a flat, sorry this is all coming, I need to neaten that up, but the back is just straight, so it's not got the V at the back. So I'm wearing this in our viscose crepe, which we've got in this gorgeous bright yellow, which when we got in, I think a lot of us were like, oh, it's such a fab colour, but so tricky to wear. But skirts are the perfect opportunity to wear a colour that you feel you can't wear, because you're not wearing it up close to your face. So you can get away with colours that you maybe couldn't wear as dresses, you can get away with them in skirts. So for me, I could not wear this as a dress, this yellow, but as a skirt I can, because I can wear it with the Jodie shirt, which I'm wearing today, in white, which I know works for me. And then I've got that pop of colour down in the skirt area, and that works really nicely. So we've got this viscose crepe, we have it in this yellow, we've got it also in mint at the moment. We did have it in black, but that might be sold out, but keep an eye out in case that comes back in. And then we've also got the gorgeous blush blooms, which I made a maxi skirt ages ago when I first started doing lunchtime sews back in January. And that was super popular because I think as a maxi it's just the prettiest of prints. So we've got that, you can make it out of that. I think you can see in the version we've got it looks really pretty. We've also got kind of simple polka dot crepes, and also our lovely Tencel lawn in abstract shadows, which works really well as well. So those are the sample fabrics, but pretty much you can choose anything from rayon viscoses to crepes, lightweight crepes, basically things with drape. It's not going to work with cotton, and it's not going to work with jersey because it's not going to withstand the kind of structure if you make it in jersey. Anyway guys, don't forget to look at the hashtag SOI Niamh skirt. We'll put that up on the screen so that you can see how it's spelt, and obviously everything that I'm talking about we'll put links to in the description below. But check that out because our wonderful pattern insiders will have already populated that hashtag, so you'll be able to see today some of the Niamh skirts out there. I know quite a few of them made it, so hopefully there's lots of inspiration for you there, and do add to that inspiration by sharing yours as well. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you love the Niamh skirt. I look forward to seeing your versions out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye!